Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to verify your student status on Amazon. This verification unlocks special student pricing and benefits, including discounted Prime membership, making it a great way to save money while you're in school. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option, and a drop-down menu will appear with various account management choices. From this menu, click on Prime Membership. This takes you to the central hub for managing all your Prime-related settings and benefits. Once you're on the Prime membership page, scroll down all the way to the bottom. Take your time here as there's quite a bit of information on this page. At the bottom, you'll find a link that says 18 to 24-year-olds and students. Click on this link to access the student verification section. This is where Amazon provides special membership options for eligible students. Now that you're on the student page, look at the top menu where you'll see several options. Click on Verify as Student. This is the key step that initiates the verification process and allows Amazon to confirm your enrollment status. You'll now be presented with a form that needs to be filled out completely. Start by entering your enrolled university or college. Make sure you type the exact name as it appears officially. Next, select your expected graduation year from the drop-down menu. This helps Amazon determine how long your student benefits should remain active. Continue by entering your first name, last name, and date of birth in the respective fields. All this information is used to verify your student status through Amazon's verification system. After you've filled in all your personal and academic details, you'll need to select your payment method. Amazon will show you a list of payment options associated with your account. Choose the one you'd like to use for your Student Prime membership. This ensures that once your verification is approved, your membership can begin without any additional steps. Finally, review all the information you've entered to make sure everything is accurate and complete. When you're satisfied that all details are correct, click the Continue button. Amazon will now process your verification request, which typically takes a few moments to complete. And there you have it. You've successfully submitted your student verification to Amazon. Once approved, you'll gain access to all the student benefits and discounted Prime membership pricing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.